Welcome to WM Tech. In this video, we'll be walking you through the process of creating your own avatar video using some of the best tools and software out there.
The ultimate destination for everything tech-related. For all things tech. I am your animated host and guide.
In Chapter 1, we'll be using Lexica to help us come up with some ideas for our video. Lexica is a powerful brainstorming tool that can help you generate unique and creative concepts for your video's images, and download any image. In Chapter 2, search Remove BG. We'll be using Remove BG to remove the background from any images. Drag and drop any picture to remove the background. In Chapter 3, open Pixelab app. Select the picture and select green background and download this picture. In Chapter 4, searching D_ID website in Chrome browser. Select the icon on the left-hand corner guest button and sign up Google account on this website. After complete this process, select the avatar to create this video. Scroll down any avatar, but I am select my own avatar to wait for complete process and paste the script in right side button script. In Chapter 5. Finally, it's time to generate your video. DID website has a powerful rendering engine that can generate high-quality videos quickly and easily.
Thanks for watching our avatar video and learning more about WM Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. We'll see you in the next one.